You've booked the ticket. You're already dreaming of your destination. But between you and that adventure lies the one part of travel most people dread, the long-haul economy flight. Tiny seats. Dry, recycled air. Stiff legs. Endless hours. Zero sleep. It can feel like pure survival mode. But here's the good news, you don't have to suffer through it. With the right preparation, smart hacks, and a traveler's mindset, you can actually step off a 10 or even 15-hour flight feeling human, and maybe even refreshed. Welcome back to Travel Tactics, the channel where we give you real-world, no-fluff travel advice to help you fly smarter, save money, and make every trip easier. Today, we're diving into 12 proven ways to survive long flights in economy class. These aren't generic drink water and sleep tips, you're getting real insider strategies that frequent flyers, flight attendants, and travel pros swear by. Stick around until the very end, because tip number 12 is something you should never, ever do on a plane. It's a mistake way too many travelers make without realizing the health risks and, let's just say, the embarrassment. Before we take off, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post practical travel hacks every day, and you don't want to miss the next one that could completely change the way you travel. Tip 1. Choose your seat like a pro. Your seat is the single most important decision you'll make for a long-haul flight. Don't leave it to chance at check-in. If you like to sleep against something solid, the window seat is your best friend. If you need bathroom breaks or easy movement, grab an aisle seat. Avoid seats near the galley or bathrooms, they're noisy and bright. Use tools like Seat Guru or airline seat maps to see details on pitch, recline, and hidden problem seats. Pro travelers also book the window and aisle in a 3-seat row when traveling as a pair. You might get the middle seat empty. Want comfort without paying business class? Check if your airline lets you bid for a premium economy upgrade. Sometimes it's shockingly cheap for long hauls, and those few extra inches of space are worth their weight in gold. Tip 2. Start hydrating before you fly. Cabin air humidity drops below 20%, drier than the Sahara Desert. That's why you feel parched, groggy, and jet-lagged. Drink more water the day before and morning of your flight. Avoid alcohol and coffee right before boarding, they dehydrate you. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up at hydration stations or cafes. Carry electrolyte packets, they help your body absorb water more effectively. Hydration isn't just comfort, it helps your immune system, reduces jet lag, and even lowers the risk of blood clots. Tip 3. Dress smart for the cabin climate. Airplane temperatures are unpredictable. 1 minute freezing, the next overheated. Wear layers, breathable t-shirt, hoodie or sweater, and a light jacket. Bring compression socks to improve circulation and reduce swelling. Skip tight jeans or stiff fabrics, opt for stretchy, soft materials. Always pack something with pockets for your essentials. You'll stay comfortable and better prepared for the cabin's roller coaster climate. Tip 4. Bring your own food. Airline meals in economy? Hit or miss. Often too salty, too small, and definitely not tailored to your taste. Eat a balanced meal before you fly, protein, veggies, healthy carbs. Bring snacks you actually enjoy, nuts, protein bars, fresh fruit, homemade sandwiches. Special meals, vegetarian, low sodium, kosher, are usually served first and often fresher. Request one when booking. Tip 5. Build a sleep routine in the sky. Sleeping in economy is tough, but not impossible. Invest in a good neck pillow, memory foam beats inflatable. Use a contoured eye mask and noise-canceling headphones. Skip binge watching before bed, read or listen to calming audio instead. Set your watch to destination time and try to sync your sleep accordingly. Some travelers use melatonin or natural aids, but test them before your trip. Your body will thank you when you land. Tip 6. Keep moving or risk DVT. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT, is no joke. Blood clots form from sitting too long. Stand and walk every 90 minutes. Stretch, calf raises, ankle circles, thigh flexes. Avoid crossing your legs. If you're short, use your bag as a footrest so your legs don't dangle. A little movement can literally save your life. Tip 7. Sanitize everything. Planes are high-touch germ factories. Wipe down tray tables, seat belts, touchscreens, and armrests. Use hand sanitizer before meals and after the bathroom. Bring tissues, masks, and even nasal spray during flu season. You don't want to bring home a nasty cold as your souvenir. Tip 8. Entertainment is on you. Don't rely on the airline's in-flight system. It might be outdated or broken. Download movies, shows, podcasts, and audiobooks. Bring a Kindle or tablet with offline reading. Carry a high-capacity power bank, USB ports aren't guaranteed. Load travel guides, journaling apps, or language lessons to make the hours productive. Time flies when you're actually enjoying yourself. Tip 9. Outsmart jet lag. Start prepping 2 days before your flight. Sleep earlier or later depending on your destination. On board, act like you're already there, sleep if it's night, stay awake if it's day. Get sunlight exposure as soon as you land, it's the best natural body clock reset. This trick helps you adjust faster and avoid losing days to fatigue. Tip 10. Hygiene equals instant energy. Nothing makes you feel worse than feeling dirty mid-flight. Pack a small kit, toothbrush plus toothpaste, face wipes plus deodorant, lip balm plus moisturizer, breath mints optional, facial mist or lavender oil for stress. A 5-minute refresh can give you hours of extra energy. Tip 11. Respect makes flying easier. Kindness is underrated in economy. Don't slam your seat back without warning. Share the armrest. Keep noise, smells, and clutter under control. Be polite to crew, they often go out of their way for friendly passengers. The flight becomes more tolerable when everyone shows a little respect. Tip 12. Never go barefoot. This is the ultimate non-negotiable rule. The carpet hides spilled drinks, dirt, germs, and worse. In the bathroom, that puddle is never just water. Always wear shoes, or at least thick slippers. Never walk in just socks. Protect yourself from bacteria, and from a very gross regret. Airplane emoji. Wrap up. Long-haul economy doesn't have to feel like punishment. With smart prep, the right gear, and a few pro hacks, you can not only survive, you can actually enjoy the ride. Which of these tips will you use on your next flight? Or do you have your own secret weapon for surviving economy? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow traveler, and make sure you're subscribed to Travel Tactics for daily travel wisdom that saves you time, money, and stress. Safe travels, and remember, keep your shoes on.